Hello and welcome to another Forex Market Breakdown video. In this episode, we're going to be breaking down GBP USD. Very good trade, 73 pips profit. Though I was aiming for 128 pips, but this is the market, you just have to adapt. I was expecting price to come find support here. Anyway, let me start from the beginning. You can watch the Sunday analysis series. I'll leave the link in the description below and a pop-up at the right side of the screen. So in the Sunday analysis video, I explained that I was expecting price not to go above the arrow that we have here. Actually, I was expecting price not to go above 1.2750, the psychological level, since the market loves psychological levels, which we eventually did, 1.2750, where we formed this pin bar formation. We had this pin bar formation here, followed by this candle here, this doji candle here, this dragonfly doji candle we have here. So when this doji was formed, I actually took a trade early here because I saw the momentum of the market. I never actually waited for the candle close, which is not advised. I advise you people to wait for the candle close, so when the candle closes you can then execute the trade. So if I waited for the candle close, I wouldn't have gone through this drawdown that I went through here. But I executed the trade because I was expecting price not to go above 1.2750. You can never be too confident in the market because any trade can lose, so you just have to be willing to accept the potential of a loss. This is why using good risk management is important. So I executed the trade, then went into drawdown where price was about to hit my stop loss. Though if it hit my stop loss, I wouldn't be affected that much because I would be losing 46 pips. As you can see, I'll just be losing 46 pips, which is acceptable in my case. Okay. So eventually price never went above 1.2750. As you can see, we just wicked through the level, through the price zone, the price level, sorry, and then began to drop. We then created this evening star formation, so a bullish candle followed by a doji, followed by another doji. I consider this as a doji because price never really moved, and it was during the night time, so the market was quiet at this time. Then eventually we had a reversal, a bearish engulfing candle, and that's how we began to come into profit. So yesterday we had this huge momentum in the market. You had huge momentum in the market. I never checked the economic calendar, so I don't really know what actually happened here yesterday. So I'll give an update in the Telegram channel of what really happened. If you'd like to join the Telegram channel, I'll leave the link in the description below. In the Telegram channel, I make posts concerning trading, quotes that will help you become a better trader, excerpts from books, and also economic news that will affect the market on a particular day. Okay, so eventually price came into 73 pips in profit. I would have taken my profit here when price got to this level here, but I wasn't actually monitoring the market at this particular time. Then eventually yesterday I saw this candle formation here, so I decided to hold the trade for a little while. But eventually today, because of how the dollar, we'll get to the dollar in just a moment, because of how the dollar was reacting and because of this level that I have marked out here, I decided to take my profit. So I marked out this level here. Let me just bring back color for those people that can't really see. Okay, I marked out this level here because it is a demand zone. So as you can see, we have a bearish candle, and from here eventually we had huge momentum coming to the market. We also have a huge wick thrown on this level. So this level was very interesting to me, so I had it marked out. Let me just refine it. So I just marked out the previous bearish candle just before the bullish candle that started the move to the upside. So that's the candle I marked out and was waiting to see how price will react when we come to this level here. So as you can see, when we came to this level, we had this pin bar. We closed above our zone here, above this price point here, 1.263. We closed above the level. Then following morning, today, London session, we have this huge bullish candle here. So if we go to the dollar, okay, I have too much on the screen. Let me just get rid of some markups. I'm going to leave this one. We can get rid of the trend line. Okay, for now we can draw a trend line here. We can draw a trend line here. Okay, so for the dollar, as you can see, we came down to this level like I predicted in the Sunday analysis series. I was expecting price to either bounce back from this level or 102.4. We eventually came to 102.4, created a pin bar followed by a bullish candle, and eventually started shooting to the upside. But price never went to my predicted price point. It may eventually do. If we go down to the 30-minute time frame, as you can see, if we go down to the 30-minute time frame, we still have relevant bullish structure. Let me just bring, so here, support, high. So as you can see, we still have relevant bullish structure. We might just reverse to the upside here and go for 103.4 So we'll see how everything unfolds. I'm also expecting that to happen. So if that happens, I might potentially take a trade or so on GU. So I'll make sure to make an update in the Telegram channel, because price really hasn't fulfilled the move. But I took profit only because price reached 25 pips below the initial target. Price was 25 pips below the initial target, so it was wise for me to take the trade, because anything can happen in the markets. As some of you might have previously heard me saying this, anything can happen in the markets, so you have to be vigilant. You have to be very vigilant. So 73 pips was good enough for me on GU, so I just had to take profit. Is there anything else needed? Okay, GU, we can go back to GU. Okay, for GU as well, as you can see, we are losing momentum on this candle. So if we go down to the 30-minute, time frame, I have this level marked up here. So I was expecting price not to go above this level here, 1.2645, and we've come to this level and we are now reacting from the level. We might push to the downside or we might break the level and start pushing to the upside. Anything is possible. So if I get enough confluence for me to take the trade, like we have seen for the dollar, we are bullish, so GBP might begin to find weakness, so potentially we might begin to fall. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, I think that's it for this market breakdown video. If you have gained any knowledge, please don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below, or you can leave a DM on our Instagram page at MagnaFX Institute. I'll leave the link to the page in the description below. You can also find a bundle of slides with different Forex topics that will help you become a proficient trader in the market. You can find this bundle of slides on our Gumroad. I'll also make sure to leave the link in the description below. Thank you very much, and see you in the next market breakdown video.